Emma, I've been thinking about rewilding. What does it really mean?
Okay, I gladly explain, but let me take it from the beginning. In the wonderful jigsaw life, keystone species are those that fulfill a vital role in wild and functioning ecosystems. Through their unique functions, they initiate a chain of responses that ripple out and create conditions for other species in the puzzle to join, which then carry out their own roles too. So collectively, these are known as natural processes. Here, in the Nordic Taiga, our keystone species include the wetland-creating beaver, landscape sculpting large grazers like Eurasian elk and semi-wild reindeer, deciduous trees like rowan and willow, currently missing from large parts of our forests, and even the ground lichen on which the reindeer rely. In the rivers, freshwater pearl mussels filter huge quantities of water, whilst tiny aquatic shredders break down leaf litter. Each in their own way kickstarts a series of natural processes, creating habitats and living conditions for others to utilize, which then leads to an increase in biodiversity, then unlocking further functions to help and create a fully functioning ecosystem. And so it goes, a myriad of interacting chains in the great web of life. As most of us know, though, many of these chains are breaking, weakened or altered by humans. And whilst we are a part of nature, many of the pieces can't keep up with the sheer scale of our actions. The big question now is, can we repair this? Can we reverse some of the damage done and push our ecosystems into recovery? The answer, we believe, is rewilding. Rewilding is about identifying those missing pieces and bringing them back. With keystone species reintroduction, there is a need to reintroduce missing species or reinforce depleted populations with new individuals. Perhaps the keystone species are already there, but they are hindered by degrading living conditions, and we need to step in to facilitate those natural processes by actively restoring habitats. Or do we just take a hands-off approach and allow ecosystems to rejuvenate themselves?
Okay, so the choice ultimately depends on which pieces of the puzzle are missing and the specific ecosystem you're trying to repair.
Exactly. So, here in Sweden's Nordic Taiga, we are actually lucky in that most of our key species are still here. However, they are often depleted, repressed or held back from fulfilling their full ecological potential by degraded or fragmented habitats. This is why Rewilding Sweden, here in the Nordic Taiga landscape in the north, is focused on restoring ecosystems by revitalizing our forests, our wetlands and our rivers. Because we hope to unshackle the vital roles of our incredible wildlife.
Yeah, but revitalizing isn't it called revitalizing?
Oh, whatever. Let's just call it rewilding.